raising your prices? I might need to find another cleaner.
Ah yes, the terrifying price increase conversation. The one that makes cleaning business owners break into a cold sweat. But here's the thing, if you do not increase your prices on an annual basis, you are giving yourself a pay cut.
And we're not doing that on My Watch Bestie. We are here to be profitable and productive.
So today I am breaking down exactly how to increase your prices without giving your clients a heart attack. Ready to make some moolah? Let's go. First of all, prices go up, and they go up for many reasons, including inflation, supplies go up, insurance and wages go up, your expense grows as your value and your business increases, and the more expenses you take on, the more your business costs grow. So if you are still charging the same rates today as you was a year or 2 years ago, you are basically paying clients to let you clean their house. And I want you to remember this sentence. This is a business, not a charity. So point one, how do we know when it's time to raise our prices? Here's your checklist. If it has been more than 12 months since you last had a pay increase, if your expenses have gone up, if you are fully booked but you are still not making enough money, or if you are attracting too many budget clients. If you answered yes to one or more of those items on the checklist, it is time to raise your prices, my friend. How do we tell clients we are raising our prices without freaking them out? So your clients don't need your excuses and they don't need your life history. They need clarity. And here's a mistake that most business owners make. They over-explain. They feel the need to justify why they are having a price increase in their business. All you need to be is clear, confident and concise. It can even be something simple as an email with the following paragraph that says, "Hi, Mr. Client Name, just a quick update. From the 1st of July, my cleaning rate will be adjusted to £25 per hour to continue delivering the high quality service. I appreciate your loyalty and I am happy to answer any questions." And just like that, no apologies, no drama, just facts. If you would like a copy of an email template that you can send to your clients to increase your rates, you will find the link to that in the description box below. If you would like more templates and help with your cleaning business, please also join us in the private Facebook community, Profitable and Productive Cleaning Business Owners, and you will also find the link to that in the description box. How do we keep our clients happy while we raise our price? People don't mind paying more if they feel that they are getting the value. So here's a way to make your price increase feel like an upgrade. You could add a small perk, maybe a free deep clean add-on for their first service at a new rate. You could frame it as an investment. This allows me to keep using premium products and give you the best service possible. You could reward loyal clients. You could offer a lock-in deal where existing clients keep a slightly lower rate than new clients. Start thinking about low cost to you but high value to the client that you could bolt onto your service to make your clients feel like they're getting a little something extra. What to do if the client complains? Reality check. Some clients will say, okay, no problem, and will continue with the service. Some clients will not be happy and some might even leave you. And that is okay. We will replace them with clients that will pay the new rate. If somebody values you for only your low price, they were never that into you anyway, or your service. You were basically just a price point to them. Your best clients will stay because they value your work, your reliability, and your quality. So let the bargain hunters go. We don't want to work with people who are going to quibble with us over an extra 20 pence an hour. And trust me on this one, clients that leave you over a price point and go toddling off because another cleaner is 50 pence cheaper, they will come back to you when they realise they are not getting the service, the grass wasn't greener and cheaper wasn't better. Cleaners provide the gift of time. We are the fourth emergency service, and it is time that we knew our worth and we all start charging our worth. So raising your prices isn't about being greedy. It isn't about buying a holiday home in Barbados. It is about running a sustainable and profitable business that can grow and scale and last many more years to come. So if you'd like the exact email templates that I use to increase a pricing, you will find that in the link below. And please do come and join us in the Facebook group for profitable and productive cleaning business owners just like you, so that we can all level up together. Thanks so much for being here. I will be back here next Wednesday. Until then, you have a really good week. Stay sparkling. Bye bye.